Welcome to the final chapter of our Medellín walking tour. Today we find ourselves at the intersection of nature and innovation. The Medellín Botanical Garden is more than just a park. It's a 14-hectare sanctuary for the region's incredible biodiversity. At its heart stands the Orchidiorama, a masterpiece of bioclimatic architecture that mimics the geometric efficiency of a honeycomb. 14 modular flower trees stand 50 feet high, their latticed canopies made of reclaimed pine to protect the delicate orchids below. Before we explore further, if you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The design filters sunlight to create a shadow garden, while the angled petals funnel rainwater down to sustain the thousands of living species here. This space represents social urbanism, turning once neglected areas into world-class public squares where nature and community breathe together. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. But to find the city's visceral heartbeat, we must head to a different kind of labyrinth, the vibrant markets. Welcome to La Minorista. Established in 1984, this multi-story market is the agricultural soul of the entire Antioquia region. It's a sensory overload. The ground floor is a sprawling expanse of colors and scents, where the bounty of the Andes meets the city. Colombia is the second most biodiverse country on Earth, and nowhere is that more evident than in the exotic fruit stands here. Have you tried lulo? It's a citrusy explosion, or the guanabana, with its creamy texture that tastes like a mix of strawberry and pineapple. There's the sweet yellow pitahaya, prized for its health benefits, and the granadilla, nature's candy with its crunchy black seeds. Don't miss the mangosteen, the fruit of the gods, or the zesty uchuva berries that add a zing to local desserts. On the upper levels, you'll find the yerbateros, traditional herbalists selling remedies passed down through generations. Local eateries offer the true paisa experience, fresh juices blended with milk or water, a cultural ritual that fuels the city's hustle. La Minorista reflects the true paisa spirit, a blend of entrepreneurial drive and legendary hospitality. It is community in its rawest form. Across these three parts, we've seen Medellín's grit, its grace, its shadows, and its brilliant sunlight. It is a city that refused to be defined by its past, choosing instead to build a future that is as vibrant as its markets. The spirit of the paisas remains their greatest asset, a resilience that outshines every challenge. Thank you for walking through the city of eternal spring with us. Medellín's story is one that never stops blooming. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Goodbye for now.